Here it is. January 4th, 2008. Bahrain. It is raining in the Middle East. Big raindrops. Huge. I think this is probably Jazeera's first rain, as it is my first rain, and I'm older than she is. So, it is exciting. Big old lightning storm outside. We'll see if we can't see something. A flash or something. It is crazy. Heard stories that it rained, but I didn't believe it. Jazeera doesn't quite know what to think of it. Whoop, you see that flash? That was some lightning. Okay. I will talk to you guys later. Jazeera does not know what's going on. She's kind of weirded out. Alright, bye, love you.